Hey burners, guess what we actually have on fatburnersonly.com.au? Alpha Brain, the memory and focus product brought to you by Onnit, and you probably have seen all over your social media with Joe Rogan advertising it. It is an amazing product and is super popular on our website. What you'll notice from it is you'll get a better mood, focus, performance goes up, and we find that a lot of students use it around exam time or during study periods to really increase their output. The ingredient profile is pretty comprehensive in here as well, so you might get some study formulas that have 2 or 3 ingredients. These guys put a whole host of ingredients to activate different levels and mechanisms in the brain to ensure that you get that memory and focus and that daily cognitive support. It is gluten-free, it's caffeine-free as well, and it's actually certified to make sure that all the ingredients listed are at the levels that they list them at. Now, just some of the ingredients that I love in here, we've got Hyperzyme by Tooth Club Moss, really activates that dopamine receptor in the brain to give that drive and focus. We've got the Alpha GPC, which is a very expensive form of choline that also works by activating the choline receptors, again driving that dopamine through a different mechanism than that Tooth Club Moss, which was the first ingredient that I mentioned. We also have phosphatidylserine, which works on another mechanism for dopamine. So we're actually covering all our bases and making this a very effective and very, very unique memory and focus formula. If you have any questions about Onnit, brought to you by Joe Rogan's Alpha Brain, please send us a message via our contact page, give us a call in store, or leave a comment in the comment section to this video. Alpha Brain by Onnit. Guys, an awesome product available at Fat Burners Only. If you didn't know, now you know.